Okay, the critical part of this problem is understanding how to get to this equation right here. The formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So the volume of a hemisphere is half of that. Half of 4/3 is 2/3. So there is a formula for the top half of this silo. The red part here, or pink, is a right circular cylinder, so its volume is given by pi r squared h. And the key is, one thing you have to realize is that this h is the height of the entire silo. When we end up using this formula for a right circular cylinder, we want to use this distance right here for the height of the cylinder. And since the diameter of the silo is 30 feet, the radius is 15. That means this little distance right here is 15. So this distance, the height of the right circular cylinder, is h minus 15. And now we can set up the equation. The volume of the hemisphere at the top is 2/3 pi times the radius, which is 15 cubed. The volume of the right circular cylinder is pi radius squared times the height, which is h minus 15. The sum of those two volumes has to equal the given volume, 14,400 pi cubic feet. Now, how do you solve for h? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different ways you could do it. One key is to realize that every term is divisible by pi, so we can get rid of those. If you want to do it the way I showed on the board here, I said 15 cubed is 15 times 15 times 15. This 3 goes into one of the 15s, leaving a factor of 5, and then I have two factors of 15. And over here, 14,400 looked like it might be divisible by 15 times 15, and it turns out it is. 64 times 15 squared is 14,400. So you can also divide every term by 15 squared. Subtract 10 from both sides. H minus 15 is 54. Add 15 to both sides. H is 69 feet. Of course, there's other ways to solve this equation, but I definitely would divide every term by pi before trying to isolate h. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.